There's something special about packing your gear, hopping on a bike, and heading into the wild with nothing but the open road ahead. But camping on two wheels is no longer just about tents and saddlebags. Today's bike camping inventions are smarter, lighter, and more futuristic than ever. From transforming e-bike campers and amphibious bicycle RVs to ultralight bikepacking trailers and foldable mobile shelters, these incredible innovations are changing the way adventurers explore the outdoors. Whether you're planning a weekend escape or a long-distance bikepacking journey, these amazing camping inventions combine freedom, comfort, and cutting-edge design in ways that almost feel straight out of the future. Get ready to discover 15 incredible bike inventions built for the ultimate camping adventure. RoadSnailCamper e-bike camper. The RoadSnailCamper e-bike camper is one of the coolest bike camping inventions we've seen in recent years. Designed as a lightweight teardrop-style camper for e-bikes, it offers a cozy sleeping space, panoramic front window, side ventilation windows, waterproof construction, and insulated walls for extra comfort during overnight adventures. The compact trailer is built for easy towing, while still providing enough room for 2 adults and basic camping gear. What really makes it special is how it turns a simple e-bike trip into a tiny RV experience. The RoadSnailCamper starts at around €3,800, making it a premium but exciting option for serious bike camping enthusiasts. SpaceCamper e-bike. The SpaceCamper e-bike is a brilliant mix of cargo e-bike and compact camper designed for modern bikepacking adventures. Built on the Rees and Müller Load 475 platform, it features a fold-out sleeping bed, integrated table, weatherproof tarp shelter, full suspension, Bosch electric motor, and smart cargo storage for camping gear. What makes it special is how quickly it transforms from an everyday cargo bike into a tiny mobile campsite. The setup feels surprisingly practical for digital nomads and outdoor explorers who want freedom without a bulky RV. Depending on configuration, the SpaceCamper e-bike starts around €8,999 to €9,549. Emmadillo. The Emmadillo is a clever and compact bike camping invention that transforms from a lightweight cargo trailer into a cozy sleeping shelter within minutes. Designed for bicycle touring enthusiasts, it features a fold-out weatherproof tent, integrated storage compartments, aerodynamic design, and enough interior space for a comfortable overnight stay. The trailer is lightweight enough for long-distance cycling, while still offering solid stability on the road. What makes the Emmadillo special is its simple setup and practical design, making bike camping feel easier and more enjoyable. Depending on configuration and accessories, the Emmadillo camper is estimated to cost around €3,500 to €4,500. BeTRITON. The BeTRITON, formerly Z-TRITON 2.0, is easily one of the wildest bike camping inventions ever created. This futuristic amphibious camper combines an electric trike, mini houseboat, and compact camper into one incredible adventure machine. It features a 1,150-watt electric boat motor, pedal assist trike system, solar roof panels, hydraulic disc brakes, Li-ion battery pack, and enough interior space for 2 people to sleep comfortably. The transformation from road mode to water mode takes only a few minutes, making it perfect for off-grid explorers. The ready-to-use BeTRITON starts around €14,500, about $16,000, while a DIY kit version costs roughly €4,500. iWoody. The iWoody is a beautifully handcrafted bike camping invention that feels more like a tiny wooden cabin on wheels than a traditional trailer. Designed in Germany, it combines minimalist living with real comfort, featuring a solid wooden body, large panoramic window, lockable door, integrated seating that converts into a bed, LED lighting, and smart ventilation for long outdoor stays. Built for e-bike towing, it weighs around 64 to 72 kilograms and measures roughly 208 centimeters long, making it surprisingly stable on the road. The craftsmanship stands out instantly. Pricing starts at about €5,900, placing it in the premium niche of bike camping innovation. Burley Coho XC. The Burley Coho XC is a rugged single-wheel bike camping trailer built for serious adventure riders who want to carry gear off-road without losing stability. It comes with a 70-pound, 31.8 kilograms, load capacity, coil spring suspension, aluminum frame, 16-inch wheel, quick-release hitch system, and adjustable kickstand that makes loading easy even on rough terrain. What stands out is how smoothly it tracks behind the bike, even on narrow trails. It's priced around $520 to $550, depending on region, making it a premium but highly durable option for long bikepacking and camping trips. Stroke Cargo Trike. The Stroke Cargo Trike is a bold rethink of bike camping transport, built for riders who want stability, capacity, and futuristic design in one package. It uses a compact 3-wheel frame, about 1.9 meters long and 0.6 meters wide. A central enclosed cargo trunk, carbon fiber leaf spring suspension, and an e-assist system with Shimano steps motor delivering smooth torque for heavy loads. What stands out is its tilting mechanism, letting it lean naturally in turns like a normal bike. Designed in Japan, it's more of a premium concept trike, with pricing starting around $5,000 to $7,000 plus. It feels futuristic, practical, and built for serious bike camping explorers. Cercle Transformer Bike. The Cercle Transformer Bike is one of the most imaginative bike camping inventions ever created, turning a simple bicycle into a fully functional micro campsite. Designed by Bernhard Sabota, it features a circular frame that integrates a fold-out bed, chair, and table system, along with storage space and a lightweight tent setup for overnight stays. Built on a modular steel and aluminum concept, it includes a clever cable-steered front system and a compact camping module weighing around 3.5 kilograms. Still in prototype form, pricing is not fixed, but estimates suggest a future range of €5,000 to €8,000. It feels experimental, futuristic, and truly unique for bike adventurers. Hubba Tour 2 Tent. The MSR, Hubba Tour 2 Tent, is a smartly engineered bike camping shelter built for riders who need space, protection, and reliability on long outdoor trips. It features a lightweight exoskeleton frame, quick pitch system, dual door access, and a massive integrated vestibule that easily stores gear, boots, and bike-side essentials. The 20D ripstop nylon fly with waterproof coating keeps you dry even in heavy rain, while the setup remains fast and intuitive. Weighing around 2.4 kilograms and packing down compactly, it's designed for touring cyclists. Priced at approximately $650, it feels premium, but justified for serious bikepacking comfort and weather protection. Backpack Bicycle by Bergmönch. The Bergmönch backpack bicycle is one of the most unusual bike camping inventions ever created, blending a hiking backpack and a downhill bike into a single transformable system. Designed for mountain adventurers, it weighs around 9 to 9.5 kilograms and carries like a rugged backpack during the climb, then unfolds into a no-pedal downhill bike in just about 2 minutes. Specs include a lightweight aluminum frame, telescopic suspension fork, hydraulic disc brakes, and a compact 12-liter gear storage compartment. Originally showcased around 2009, it was priced near €1,500, about $1,600. Though it never reached mass production, it remains a legendary concept for extreme bike camping explorers. Topeak Journey Trailer TX. The Topeak Journey Trailer TX is a solid and thoughtfully engineered bike camping invention built for riders who carry serious gear. It features a lightweight aluminum frame, 16-inch wheel, slide lock quick release system, waterproof 65.3-liter dry bag, and a strong load capacity of up to 32 kilograms, 70 pounds. On the road, it feels stable even with heavy camping loads, making long-distance touring much easier. The design works with multiple bike setups, including through-axle systems. Price sits around $450 to $500, depending on the retailer. It's not flashy, but it's reliable, practical, and built for real-world bike camping adventures. Radical Design Cyclone 4. The Radical Design Cyclone 4 is a brilliantly engineered bike camping trailer that blends simplicity with serious touring capability. It features a lightweight aluminum frame, 100-liter cargo capacity, quick-release wheels, 16-inch smooth-rolling hubs, waterproof carry bag, and a clever design that converts the trailer into a portable luggage bag when detached. On the road, it feels stable and easy to tow even on long-distance routes, making it ideal for bikepacking travelers. The specs vary by version, with payloads up to 40 to 50 kilograms. Pricing sits around €599 to €700, depending on configuration. It's a premium, versatile choice for serious adventure cyclists. Big Agnes Copper Spur Bikepack. The Big Agnes Copper Spur Bikepack is one of those tents that instantly feels like it was built for real adventure riders who don't compromise on comfort. It uses ultralight hyperbead ripstop nylon, a freestanding DAC pole structure with shortened short stick segments for easy bike mounting, dual vestibules, and a smart dry bag style compression sack designed specifically for handlebars and panniers. Packed weight sits around 1.3 to 1.6 kilograms, depending on size, making it perfect for long-distance bikepacking. Price ranges from about $535 to $700, depending on model and size. It feels expensive, but the durability, space, and thoughtful design justify it for serious camping trips. Hupi Trailer. The Hupi trailer is one of the most ambitious bike camping inventions ever built, turning an e-bike into a compact rolling microcabin. Designed in Finland by Urpo Merenmaa, it features a rigid insulated shell, 150 centimeter interior height, foldable bed that converts into a bench, small dinette space, solar roof option, interior lighting, and optional fridge and battery system for off-grid travel. Built for long-distance touring, it weighs around 70 to 78 kilograms with solid aluminum construction and a universal e-bike hitch system. Specs vary by configuration, but comfort is the main focus. Price starts at around €5,990, placing it in the premium bike camper category. Convercycle Bike. The Convercycle Bike is one of the smartest bike camping inventions ever designed, turning a normal city bike into a compact cargo hauler within seconds. Built on a strong steel frame with a patented expandable rear section, it features 28-inch wheels, Shimano Nexus 8-speed gearing, hydraulic disc brakes, and a 250-watt Bafang front hub motor on the e-bike version. The bike weighs around 38 kilograms and can carry up to 180 kilograms total load capacity, making it surprisingly capable for camping gear. Prices start at about €2,899 for the standard model and around €4,299 for the electric version. It feels innovative, practical, and slightly futuristic for everyday adventure riding. Scout Stop and Stay Bicycle Camper. The Scout Stop and Stay Bicycle Camper is a clever compact trailer designed for cyclists who want true overnight comfort without losing mobility. It features a lightweight fold-out frame, integrated sleeping cabin, weather-resistant fabric shell, ventilation panels, and quick setup structure that transforms from trailer to tent in minutes. Built for bikepacking, it offers enough interior space for one rider with gear storage and a stable towing system for long rides. Specs typically include a modular aluminum chassis and waterproof polyester body. Pricing is estimated around $2,000 to $3,000 depending on configuration. It feels practical, minimal, and ideal for solo adventure camping on two wheels.